High School, and we're the only Lasallian school in Arizona.
I'm Melissa Garcia, currently an uprising junior here at San Miguel High School. We focus on not only teaching core subjects here, but life lessons that will help project our motto. Enter to learn and leave to serve is an encouraging motto that helps others understand the mission here at San Miguel. From a low-income high school, we provide quality educations to our students, not only with book lessons, but life lessons.
Hi guys, I'm Marlette and I'm an uprising sophomore, and this is the prayer garden. One of San Miguel's 5 core principles is respect for all persons. And respect of all persons in this prayer garden is because we respect when someone's either here praying or seeking a moment of silence. We all engage with one another even though we have all our differences and many different beliefs. In our school, we do not force you to believe in these religious teachings, but to hear them and grow from them.
Hi, I'm Miguel, and I'm a uprising sophomore here at San Miguel. Here at San Miguel, we have inclusive community. It's when we bring everyone together and we grow a really tight bond between everyone here at San Miguel. One of the things we do here is Heritage Festival. Heritage Festival is a festival where we help people express different cultures and make our school diverse.
Hello, my name is Berenice Ramos. In San Miguel, the presence of God is portrayed in every person who walks through our doors. We start every class with a prayer. We have a prayer service or a mass at least once a month that are written and run by students. We go out on service retreats all around Tucson and even to Nogales, Sonora, which is in Mexico, to help others in need. We share experiences with others and show that God is in every one of us because everything we do is based on love, faith, and hope.
Okay. Hi, I'm Sarah Lara, and I'm an upcoming junior at San Miguel High School. One of our core principles is concern for the poor and social justice. This is shown with certain clubs and drives. Some of our clubs are El Otro Lado, Kino Teens, and Club Picasso. All have unique ways of helping the poor, such as fundraisers. We have blood, clothing, and food drives for the less fortunate. We also give donations such as Penny Wars, which goes to Baha'i Pagasa and Kenya Childhood Development Center, and Dress Down Days, where the profits are given to certain families in need at San Miguel. We are a generous school that provides the poor an opportunity to receive their needs.
Hi, I'm their moderator. I'm one of the hundreds of brothers and lay partners who have taught these students and other students during the 15-year history of San Miguel. How do I know the Lasallian Catholic mission happens here? You just saw it. They did all the work. They said all the things. They took time off of summer. We're done with school. They did all that stuff on their own without anybody doing anything other than recording the video for them. And that's what we're about. Transforming and empowering students to be the best things that God made them to be. That's how we provide a human and Christian education for the young, especially the poor.